Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to share a few last minute gifts for yourself mainly, but if you do also have somebody close to you that you would like to give something a little bit extra, then this might be helpful for you. By now, most people would have had their gift ready, set up, wrapped, but in case you didn't and you want to send something still or grab something from the store, this is what this list is good for. I have just a very short list. I know, like I said, I'm pretty much done with my holiday shopping, but I would like to share some stuff that I still see online with you. I'm splitting this list up into three main categories, and they're not on like the super high-end side, but they still have that luxury special feel to it. Three categories are beauty, jewelry, and SLGs/accessories. So if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos, which I do have a few handbag unboxings to share with you. I also have a Chanel unboxing that I haven't done yet, and also an Hermes unboxing. I am really backed up with my videos, but I have had, you know, family and friends and other things. So it's just kind of been on the back burner, but I will get to them, I promise. So today is gonna be one unboxing. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I didn't want to open it now, but since I wanted to share with you what it was, I thought it was better that I open it now. And I may do in a follow-up video what I got for Christmas, or you know, that video, I think I can re-show it, but right now I'll just kind of share it with you. So the first thing I want to share is a beauty. I love Chanel beauty this time of the year, and this year I think they may have sold less than previous years because I have never seen their beauty sets still available. So I actually picked up one more. And because I picked up one more online, this time I actually got their little holiday charm. In my previous video, this holiday charm was not available in any of the online orders that I placed. I ended up getting one from my SA, who I have purchased a lot before in, you know, just over the years, and he gave me two of these, but this time online at Chanel, I got one finally. So if you are buying something online, you may get lucky. You may get one of these now that they're coming kind of closer to the end and probably trying to get rid of their stocks. But this one is called Basis Covered Skincare Set. And this one I didn't show in my last video because, like I said, I just picked up an extra one. But it is a skincare one. So like you saw with skincare pieces, they are in the bigger sized bag, in this white, very fluffy one, and there's a snowflake there. And this one has two items. One is the Hydra Micro Cream, and the other is the Creme Cleanser, Creme to Foam Cleanser. So they're both full-size pieces, and because they're individually wrapped, you can gift them as gifts individually, or you can give them the set. So overall, I think this is a great piece to gift to somebody if you have not found anything yet. I think this one will surprise a lot of people, but also if you still want one, it is available. So I'll link these below. There's also some beauty ones, so not just skincare but makeup, and those, I think there's one that's still available for $128, and you get the whole pouch, the little goodies, and yeah, I think they are still giving out these little charms, like ornaments and stuff like that. So definitely jump on that if you're interested. I'll list a few below. Next one is jewelry. Now jewelry, I have been loving some of these pieces. This one is from Fedoma. This is the Atenia necklace, and currently they still have a sale running, and it is 20% off one piece, and I think 40% off if you buy 6 pieces. I do also have a promo code if you're interested, Clutch to Carry All. It'll save you some money at checkout if you're interested, but I have loved a ton of their other pieces in the past. These are hypoallergenic because they are sterling silver based, and a lot of the times if it's gold plated sterling silver. So I love that because I have sensitive skin. The other piece I am wearing today, which is newer, I don't think this has ever been seen before. There we go. So this piece is from Astrid and Miyu. I love Astrid and Miyu, and this is their pearl and crystal earring, And yeah, I've been loving this. This one again is also sterling silver. So yeah, if you have sensitive ears, or if you know anybody with sensitive ears, this is an awesome option. I do know that they have guaranteed Christmas shipping if you order by the 18th of December. So there's still some time to get on that if you wanted to ship somebody you love or yourself something from Astrid and Miyu. All right, so the last category is SLG and accessories. I have been loving a lot of SLGs this year, especially during the holiday times. It's so easy just to like grab something and go. I wanted to share a few things that I really like here. Well, the first one is actually one that I've shared on my channel most recently. This is a toiletry pouch from Oleata, and Oleata has a lot of cool handbags that you may have seen on my channel. I've reviewed a bunch of them. Some of those handbags are still actually on sale, so I will list a few below, pop a few here. This isn't the handbag category. I didn't have a handbag category because, yeah, I wanted to show you unboxings of handbags. Actually, I have two Demilia handbags that I wanted to get your opinion on, so I'll make a separate video on that. But this one is an SLG. This one has like a wipeable interior because it is a toiletry pouch. Has a little slip pocket right here, but it is very spacious. I was able to put so many things in here, and what is really cool about this is besides putting it into your bag, you can also hook this onto your like straps or hook straps onto this bag. So there are D-rings here and here. So this is, I love doing this because it's very versatile. And so I have a chain right here. This one is so beautiful, this chain. This is actually an accessory piece I wanted to share. This is from Next Fashion. I've talked about Next Fashion before, and their chains are incredible. I've had these for probably 2 years now, and there is no like rusting, there's no major scratches that I could see, and they have so many different sizes, style, and shapes that oh my gosh, I just love. But what you can do is if you did bring this, like let's say on a trip and you just wanted a small bag to carry out, you can change it into like a little pouch, from a pouch to a little handbag. In this case, there are two colors, it's two-tone, so you know, you can wear it quite nicely across your body, and there you go. And if I wanted to wear the lighter side, here we go. So this is an awesome little pouch for your toiletry, catch-all in your tote bag, but you can also wear it out so easily as a little bag as well. If you have a shorter chain, which Next Fashion does have, you can also carry it kind of like as a wristlet or as a shoulder bag like that. So cute. I will list Oleata's toiletry pouch, the Jet Setter one, below. You can use my code angeleyn for an extra 15% off, and I will also insert this chain below from Next Fashion, as well as a lot of the other ones I like from them. They have gold, silver, short, long chains. This one's like a beautiful braided one. Oh my gosh. I also have a code for this. I will list it below as well if you're interested. These are great accessory pieces, so even if you know somebody who has, you know, handbags, they may not have these, and they can add to their collection, they can enhance it. So this is a great option. And the makeup pouch that I talked about earlier, I know a lot of you already know how to do this, but you can create a little attachment hook here, and then you can use Next Fashion's chain to also create a handbag if you would like to do that. So it is very versatile, and I love versatility. So this is one of my favorite pieces and items to get. The last SLG that I want to share with you is actually from Louis Vuitton. So this is Louis Vuitton's holiday 2024 holiday packaging, which I love. I love seeing all the holiday packaging from the different brands. Hermes didn't have one, but they did give us a lot of holiday goodies, which I can pop up on the screen here when we went last into the store. I will have a separate unboxing video later. Chanel also has a holiday packaging this year, which I kind of already shown on my channel. Come shopping with me. It's this beautiful tweed ribbon with a pearl and crystal accent bauble thing. I have done a lot of tutorials in the past, last year, how to repurpose these to make it into like hair bows and everything, so you don't have to buy a Chanel hair bow. You can use this. So this is definitely something, if you want to know how to do it, I can list the one that I did last year below, or maybe I could just do an updated one once I unbox this. This one I'm not going to unbox today, but I will very soon, so definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. This one I will share with you here because I think it's a great one to grab before they sell out. Again, the holiday packaging from Louis Vuitton this year is beautiful. There's a little tag here. Looks very festive and circusy, very magical. And yeah, I love that the box is different this year. I think last year they just had like a special ribbon. They might have some boxes that are beautiful too, but anyways, it's the same box, but just very different in design. And to reveal this beautiful card holder. But what is very special about this is the empreinte leather. So this is cowhide leather, and it is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the sheen on it, but it's called Azure Frost. And it also has these really, really cute charms, which are now wrapped, but I will unwrap them in a bit. But yeah, it's like your typical card holder, 2 slots in the front, 2 slots in the back, and 1 in the middle. And I love that it is empreinte leather, so it's just so much more magical, and I could see myself bringing this in my smaller bags during this holiday season. So yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll insert a photo of it so that's not as blinding, but it is very beautiful because it's frosted, which is why you're kind of getting that sheen. Maybe if I held it further. So yes, I love this piece. This one is less than $600 for a full leather piece at Louis Vuitton. That is great. And you get the holiday packaging. So I still see this available on their website, but if you would like to make sure that you have the holiday packaging, then I would probably try to get it at a local store or get it shipped to a local store if you have one near you. But yes, I will highly recommend this one as a very special gift. And that's it. So if you have any questions, list in the comments below. I will list everything that I mentioned here along with their promo code in the description box below. During my Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping video, I also listed a bunch of different sale items which are no longer on sale, but those are also great items. So if I think of anything else, I will list it below as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys back here for some handbag unboxing, Hermes, Chanel unboxing, and I definitely want to ask you about 2 different bags, different sizes, to see which one is a better fit for me. I kind of already have an idea, but I want to get your take on it. So I'll see you in that video soon. Bye.